Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amanda, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this wall art using some picture frames from the Dollar Tree, some paint sticks from Home Depot, and just a couple of pictures I printed on my printer. I hope you guys enjoy this. I love the way it turned out, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We hit 500 subscribers last week, and I could not be more thankful for you all. But let's go ahead and let me show you how I made this wall art. For my supplies, I'm gonna need 4 prints of whatever design you like. I love these herb prints. You're gonna need 4 5x7 picture frames, 4 11x14 picture frames, 4 packs of these paint sticks. They come in a pack of 10, and then whatever colors you'd like to paint. I used the moss color and cashew from the Waverly chalk paint. And I'm going to start by painting the paint sticks the moss color. Now I did 9 paint sticks for each frame, so 36 total, and that was real fun. So enjoy, that takes quite a bit of time. I did paint just the sides and everything too. Now I am gonna remove all of the glass and everything, the backing. I'm not gonna put that back on the 11x14 picture frame. And I did decide to use the cashew color from the Waverly chalk paint. And I did 2 good coats of paint on that black 11x14 frame, and then I just laid out the paint sticks kind of evenly, and again I used 9 of them for each 11x14 frame, and I just used a little bit of hot glue and glued those down. And then I did end up removing the little things that hold the backing in after I got everything set there. And I'm going to take my picture here, and I'll be honest, y'all, I'm reusing these brown 5x7 frames, so I did not have the backing still. So I'm just gonna add a little dab of hot glue on the 4 corners and put that cardstock in there. Now, again, you could use any design you wanted to. You can use any colors you want to paint this and really make it your own. And then I'm just going to place that right in the center and just use a little bit of hot glue, and that is it. Now I do have to do this 4 times to get the set of 4 for the wall art, but I absolutely love the way this project turned out. This actually it turned out way better than I thought it was going to, as most projects usually do. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and here's what it looks like on my wall. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. 500 subscribers just blew me away, and I am so excited, and I have a lot more coming for you. So thank you, and have a great day.